Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a box for your Christmas tree. You will be needing a crate and also you will be needing some wrapping paper. I went ahead and bought mine at Dollar Tree. They do have very cute different ones there, but this is the one that I thought would go best with my home decor. Practically what I will be doing is to lay the paper on my counter, and you want to leave enough paper on the bottom and on top so you can fold it later. I went ahead and cut my paper first, and I do have two pieces. The first piece I went ahead and used it for one of the sides, and then the second one I did want those edges to be sharp and neat. So for that I will be folding the paper like this, and I'm just gonna make them, you know, nice and neat, and of course I will be taping everything together. Now for the bottom, you know, you won't be able to see this part, but I still wanted it to lay flat. So again, you know, it's kind of like wrapping a paper. You just work with the edges. Now for the top, you won't see it much either. So I just went ahead and just folded each layer of the paper like this, and I went ahead and tape it. So that's how my tree looked without the box. Now I am going to put the tree in the box, and I can tell there's a big difference already. Now I will also be using these lights from Dollar Tree, and I like these lights because it is battery operated, and you do have a timer on. So you know, I believe it only lasts for 6 hours or so, and then they turn off by themselves. I just like to turn them on manually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them around that box like so, and I'm just gonna use tape to hold them in place. So my friends, this is the final result. I hope that this video helped you in any way or form, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.